Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do cutting and stitching of kameez with 3 darts that are bust, waist and armhole dart. So this is my drafting of kameez. So these are the 3 darts and the link of this drafting of kameez is in the description box. For cutting, your fabric must be on own fold. So this is your neck side. Keep your neck side on the own fold of fabric. So my neck side is on own fold of the fabric. Now trace the drafting of the kameez on the fabric. Now I have traced the pattern of the kameez. This is my front pattern. For front pattern, you do not need to make the neckline or you do not need to cut the neckline. Now I will mark the seam allowances. So this is my drop shoulder. The seam allowance is 1/2 inches. So seam allowance for drop shoulder is 1/2 inches. This is my armhole. Here the seam line is also 1/2 inches. So this is my waist area. From this to this, from waist area to hip area, the seam allowances is 2.5 inches. So from waist to hip, the seam allowance is 2.5 inches. If you have marked 1/2 inches extra on your pattern, then you will have to mark 2 inches for seam allowances. I have marked 2.5 inches because of dart intake. Now from hip line to the bottom of my kameez, the seam allowance is 1.5 inches. And for the bottom, for hemming, the seam allowance is 1.5 inches. You can also change the seam allowance for the bottom according to your requirement. So now cut your fabric according to the seam allowances. So I have cut down the fabric. Now I will mark the darts with the help of carbon paper and the tracing wheel. So now use of carbon paper and tracing wheel, I will trace my darts. So now you can see my darts has been traced. As with the same process, I will trace the dart on the back side of the kameez. So after that, this is my front side of the kameez. Now I will trace the back side. So now this is the back side of the kameez. I have already traced the pattern of the kameez of back side, and for back side make the neckline. Now I will mark the seam allowances as same I have marked on front side of my kameez. Half of inches on drop shoulder and armhole. And for neckline, the seam allowances as same, half of inches. So this is the cutting of my back kameez, that is half inches on armhole, drop neck and neckline, and from waist to hip is 2.5. From hip to bottom is 1.5, and for bottom, that is for hemline, that is 1.5. Now I will trace the darts. For back only waist darts are traced. So now this is the cutting of back side of kameez, and this is the cutting of front side of kameez. Stitching of this kameez is in part 2. So like, share and subscribe my channel, and must watch part 2 for the stitching of kameez.